Hi everybody, welcome back to Simply Cerisa. Today is a good day. I was driving by, I found Raphio Chocolate and they are open. So I am headed in, we're gonna go find out what's going on in there, and I just wanna let you know why I'm so happy about this. One of the criteria for a great city is they have to have their own handmade chocolate store somewhere within the city limits. And happy to say Fresno has one. So let's go inside, find out what they've got, and try some things.
The gold one is a mocha made with the Cup of Joy ingredients, dark chocolate. Yeah, then the orange and green is a white chocolate clementine. And then the deep red is a dark chocolate port wine.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah.
What port wine is it?
It's, what? I forget what the name
I'm
is.
gonna freak out.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to keep this short and extremely sweet, pun intended. Raphio Chocolates was a joy to visit. They are located at 783 East Barstow. So that is on the corner of Barstow and First Street in Fresno. Just to give you a grid for Fresno people, it is just about 2 blocks north of the Fashion Fair Mall. So it's very easy access. They have plenty of parking because they are actually located in a strip mall. So there's plenty of room for that. You will never have to struggle with parking. Also, they are a very family-friendly but small storefront. One of the really exciting things that I learned about Raphio was that they offer factory tours. So they do them periodically. You will have to go to eventbrite.com to purchase tickets to get onto one of their factory tours. The ticket prices start at $9, I believe, per person. With that, it comes you get about a 45-minute tour. You get to see the entire process of how they make the chocolates. You get to sample the products. And at the end of your tour, you actually get hot chocolate or cold chocolate to drink, depending on the season and the weather and your choice. They have recently partnered with Rosa Brothers Milk. So you know you're going to get a quality drink. Now, the drinks are fairly new to their company, and they are slowly building their drink choices up. And of course, those are going to probably stay exclusive to their storefront. Now, their storefront is open, 6 days a week. So it's 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday. And from what I could tell, the factory tours were mostly on Saturdays. They are closed on Sundays. They also have, in California alone, over 34 retailers that you can purchase some of their items from. Just to name a few locally, Enzo's, which is on Willow in Northeast Fresno, and Christina's Natural Foods Market. But there are tons more, so make sure that you go to their website to get all of the locations. Now, my non-local friends and family, please stick with me. They also have retailers in 6 different states around the country. They have some in South Carolina for my South Carolina friends and family, and for my Washington friends and family, you can actually purchase Raphio Chocolates at Pike Place Market in the De Laurentiis store, located on First in Seattle. So friends local to that, you know what area that is. I also wanted just to let you know these are extremely craft well-made chocolates that you can purchase. They're actually making a little bit of a name for themselves globally because they have the 102% chocolate bar, and that's kind of a catchphrase that a lot of people are taking notice of them for. Now, what I mean by 102% chocolate bar is that this bar is truly 100% chocolate, no sugar, no anything else added. And then to kick it up to the 102%, they actually put crumbled cacao beans on top of it. So if you're looking for chocolate just strictly for the superfood aspect of it, this is your place to go. You are going to get that. Now, that being said, they actually try to maintain that all of their chocolate bars have enough cacao in it to keep that superfood status. Now, I know that sometimes that isn't always the most flavorful thing to eat for most people. So for those of you who like your chocolate a little bit sweeter or a little bit more flavored, believe me, they have you covered. Whether you are a chocolate aficionado, a chocolate snob, or you like to eat a handful of M&Ms, it really doesn't matter. You're going to enjoy their chocolates. They have different options all the time. Now, when I went, I had to pick up a couple of bars. So we'll talk about the bars first. They actually partnered with Enzo's Olive Oil, which is local to the Valley, one of my favorite olive oil and balsamic vinegar companies. I will probably have to do a review on them really soon. So of course I had to purchase a couple of those bars. The first one I purchased was the Clementine Olive Oil chocolate bar. I'll open it up for you and just show you what it looks like. By the way, the packaging is amazing. Oh no, I don't want to ruin the sticker. So you pop the sticker off, peel it open. Packaging is amazing. Look at that, how pretty is that? Lighting, there you go. So the bar comes out and it has, if you can see the texture on that, I know it's hard to see on the plastic, it actually is three-dimensional textured. So if you go on the tour, you will see how they make that. Oh, this is awesome. And this is 72% cacao. So this is pretty rich stuff for your bar. Olive oil. I don't know that I can ever eat another chocolate bar the same. I don't know that I've had, I take that back. Of course, I've had a chocolate with olive oil in it. But these bars are so smooth, so pure. The chocolate I've had with olive oil in the past has been in a truffle form. And, you know, it's sweet, has different textures, different flavors, and they've been great. But the smoothness and the quality of the chocolate bars, I can't get over on this. This would be the Fresno Chili Olive Oil bar that I purchased. I had to get it. Perfect amount of heat right in the back of your throat. Doesn't overpower though, but it definitely has Fresno chili in it. Again, the same type of bar. They had, I believe, a Meyer lemon, and they have just a pure olive oil and sea salt for you purists that like those flavors. Okay, the 3 truffle options were mocha, made from Cup of Joy coffee. They also had a Ficklin port truffle. So if these sound familiar to you, it's because you may have been on the wine trails in Madeira, and Ficklin is one of the retailers that also carries and has obviously partnered up with Raphio Chocolates. So they, I believe, have that as one of their staple truffles all the time. It was fantastic. And then they had a white chocolate with orange, a Valencia orange truffle. I believe they keep some of them all the time, but they do change flavors seasonally. They also make different chocolate bars seasonally. So you want to keep up with them on social media, especially their Facebook page. That is where they release new information all the time. Just to let you know about the company itself, they also carry wonderful chocolates from craft chocolatiers in their storefront. So if you go in there, something that's unique about them is they're not just pushing their own product. They actually sell chocolate bars from companies that they have made connections with, and they like to cross over and support one another whenever possible. So if you are needing a gift basket with some really wonderful chocolates from all over the world, and you want something really unique that you know is single source and well made, head over to their store, pick up some of their chocolates and some of the ones that they have partnered up with other companies for. That's really all I have to say about this company for the moment, and that is because I really plan on doing one of the tours. I'm very happy to say that I really enjoyed this company and that I really am going to be supporting it a lot, and I plan on making another video as soon as I get some of the factory tour information. So I will link everything below, including some of the other companies that I mentioned, like Enzo's and Ficklin and Cup of Joy. So if you need more information on any of that, make sure that you check my description box, and I will link everything that I have on Raphio below, including some of the other reviews that have been done, and how to get to their website and their social media handles as well. I hope you enjoyed this, and we will talk to you soon. Make sure you go out, check out Raphio, and get a factory tour.